purposes of ILOC 81 require member states to organize labor inspection as a system, provide strict qualifications for the inspectors, ensure that the number of inspectors is sufficient to secure effective discharge of their duties, and require specific set of actions and remedies in the conduct of inspections, among others. The stringent requirements of the convention that we will adhere to will deepen and expand our efforts. Again, Madam Chair, once ratified, there may be a need also, let me put this into the records, there may be a need to evaluate our existing laws and policies. And when this happens, Madam Chair, our office, this representation, will be open to discuss how we can recalibrate our policies, harmonize it with ILOC 81, and align it with the government's definition of providing just and humane human working conditions. Until then, we commit to support our chairperson once the measure is discussed in the plenary and until the Senate gives its concurrence. Maraming salamat, Madam Chair, to the session.
Yes, thank you very much. And that's exactly the problem, no? The issue, as always, is proper compliance with treaty
Nero.
provisions and effective enforcement of the relevant
Tingnan mo.
laws. So, time and again, the labor studies gap analysis at the Go Institute stated that the lack of provision